What's up everybody, John in Witchcraft Whips, how do you do? Today we're having a quick look at a new 4-foot mini bullwhip that I recently finished, featuring my new integrated fall design, which I really do like. I'm gonna give this a few test cracks and then we're gonna move in for a closer look at the whip, okay? Now, with my new fall design, the fall needs to be broken in, just like the rest of the thong really. So it has a bit of a problem right now doing the cattleman's crack. I don't want to muscle the whip too hard, but it can crack now when it's brand new and off the bench. But it does the flick really well. And once the fall breaks in properly, I think this is going to be a wonderful whip. So what have we got here really? Well, like I said, it's a 4-foot mini bullwhip. It has an 8-inch handle, 16 plat with my new integrated fall design that follows the natural curvature of the thong with a very smooth transition from the thong to the fall. And it has, you know, your basic 4x5 3-pass notch. And the fun thing with this whip is that it's a gift for someone who doesn't know he or she is getting it. So it will probably be a nice surprise for that person to have this one show up in the mail. So it's just a short video this time. I'm getting ready to pack my bags and head south and leave all the snow behind for the moment. But I just wanted to show you this whip real quick before it heads out. I'm gonna drop this off at the post office in about a couple of hours. So I'm gonna get this one packed up. But I wanted to have the chance to give you guys a look at the new integrated fall, which I really do like. I feel that when the thong, instead of being just a flimsy strip of leather, you know, traditional falls in all honor, this one follows, like I said, the natural curvature of the thong, which I think provides for a more accurate whip. And you know, this is a 4-foot whip. You can't do much body wraps and stuff with this one, but if you had a longer whip with the same kind of fall in it, that would be perfect for, you know, shows when you're doing body wraps or wrapping other stuff, essentially when you want to wrap without grabbing, because this one slides right off, and you're probably gonna see a lot more of these falls coming out. So thanks for watching, keep cracking, stay safe.